Would you like to buy a brand new home in St. Petersburg, Florida? Hi, I'm Christina at eXp Realty. I'm here in front of this beautiful waterfront luxury home in the Causeway Isles neighborhood of St. Petersburg, Florida. And this house has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, about over 1,600 square feet, and lot size of over 7,000 square feet. And it's priced at $1,190,000. So let's come take a look inside. So there you have it. So if you're interested in seeing this home, please call me to schedule a showing appointment. If you're interested in buying or selling a home or investing in real estate in St. Petersburg, Tampa, Clearwater, Bradenton, Sarasota, or Lakewood Ranch areas, please call me. And as always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And until next time, take care and make it a great day.